Okay, so second part, Harrison. Yeah, you've done a pretty good color here. Sorry, a pretty good job here. Just watch uh, editing compared to the Rexona advertisement. When any marked dollars are used, black is a color that. So just make this into a complex sentence. Um, and I think black, yes, it signifies control and power, but it's a very masculine product, a very masculine color. So this is this. What's the overall mood of this ad? It's about masculinity and determination and power and energy, um, and it's a good background color because yes, it enhances other colors. Um, and so just in here, say that it's enhancing what core connection with the product, which is what we just talked about. You don't need to put this powerful pose. Have a look at that advertisement that's attached to the visual elements and look at how the athlete's pose is annotated there to give you some tips on improving this. Yes, full of confidence, the tough facial expression is the eye contact. Look at what his eyes are looking at. They're looking to the tagline, dry and fresh all day. Have you talked about the fact that they're in capitals and the fresh is is bigger? So it's this idea of this strong, powerful, it's this sort of cool, masculine weights in the background. And this font, it actually is the same color as the Rexona tick, which he's got on his singlet. Look at the lighting. Look at how his biceps have been highlighted. Very different feel this to this ad, which is the background is white. This idea of pureness and and gentleness. This is all about power and macho-ness. Okay, so you can just tidy that up a bit. So you've done a good job, Harrison. Well done. I'm very pleased with this. Conclusion and evaluation. I think perhaps a bit of editing needed here. Attractively conveys its features. What do you mean by that? What we're talking about here is how successful are they in fulfilling their purpose, which is to create that connection with their audience. Perhaps you think the Rexona's advertisement is more effective because you are actually the target audience. So you might show your understanding of that, because it's not a simplistic layout. It's actually very carefully constructed. But show your understanding of your perspective as the target audience. It is incredibly successful. So that's what you do in your evaluation. Okay, so well done, Harrison, and happy drafting.